Today I'm going to take you through the progress of how our 1860 built farmhouse renovation is coming along. We are about 3 months into the process, so I'm going to give you all of the updates, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Brandie with the Mathison-Klein group at Keller Williams Realty, and I am taking you through our own personal home. We are doing an 1860 farmhouse renovation, so I feel pretty good about the updates and the progress that we've made so far. We've gotten a lot of drywall work done. We weren't originally anticipating retexturing all of the drywall throughout the house. However, when you have a husband that has slight OCD, it becomes an issue when you start really taking a look at everything. So we had all of the, I'm going to show you. We had all of the drywall resurfaced so that it's nice and smooth. And then we also did the ceilings. So that's been quite a project. That in itself did take a couple of weeks, and I will take you through some of the other areas and let you see the progress that we've made so far. This is the downstairs bathroom. So we got to get the tile installed. It's hard to see what the tile looks like on the floor because it's quite a mess in here. One of the things that they're having to do is actually move the plumbing over in this spot because it's a little bit too close to the door, so we don't have room to actually put the vanity there. All right, so as you know, we took out one of the walls in the master, and we had to add some trim in. We also got a barn door put in place. We're going to be getting all new doors throughout the interior. And then this is probably the area that I feel most excited about right now. This is going to be our bathroom. It's coming together. So currently right now we are at the stage where we are going to start painting, and they're finishing out the trim work right now. Some of the delays that we've had, we were supposed to get our kitchen cabinets delivered this week, and they are now not going to be in until the last week of October, possibly even the first week of November. The other thing is we're doing an addition that's going to include our laundry room and our what we're going to call our mudroom / pantry, and we are still waiting for permitting and for plans to come in for that. So I realize that it's just one of the things, one of the downfalls with doing renovations during this time of year with COVID-19. Everybody is backed up, everything is backed up, and so you just gotta be patient and go with the flow. Another update on the farm is that we officially have our Scottish Highland cows. So we have had them now for about a month, and we are absolutely loving it. So we are learning new stuff every day. We're also learning the different personalities of each cow and just all of the different ins and outs. I've been so thankful for the help of our friends that are cow owners themselves. I've been asking them a lot of questions and all of that kind of stuff, but it has truly been such a life-changing experience, and we are just enjoying it so very much. So if you like this video and you want to stay tuned for the finished product, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.